12 places to find help in the Bible. Number 1, when in need of forgiveness, pray with Psalm 51. Number 2, when in need of protection, pray with Psalm 91. Number 3, when in need of help, pray with Psalm 121. Number 4, when you are in want, pray with Philippians 4 verse 19. Number 5, when you are afraid, pray with Isaiah 43 verse 1 to 5. Number 6, when in journey, pray with Psalm 23. Number 7, when in need of healing, pray with Psalm 41. Number 8, when in need of deliverance, pray with Psalm 59. Number 9, when in sorrow, pray with Psalm 42. Number 10, when in trouble, pray with Psalm 40. Number 11, when in worries, pray with Philippians 4 verse 6 to 7. Number 12, when in need of a breakthrough, pray with Isaiah 43 verse 19 to 20.